iPhone 11 PM.Matrix external cable replacement operation. This is an iPhone 11 PM that can't use Face ID. Turn off the phone and remove the front camera. Take out the Lumen L3 repair instrument. Plug in .Matrix activation expansion board will automatically jump to the relevant page. Attach the front camera to the expansion board. Detection display fused L air. It can only be activated in the fused state. Activation successful. Take out .Matrix external cable. Click to view the installation tutorial. Snap the camera with the cable installed on the expansion board. Detection display normal. Plug in the mobile phone data cable too. Connect the mobile phone. Detection display back. Detection display right side success. Detection display exists data. Install the front camera back on the phone. Face ID has been repaired successfully.